Hey guys, this is the look of the day. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Highly recommend the skincare. So immediate glow. My beautiful mom taught me everything, how to color my hair, how to cut my hair, how to do my makeup, how to dress. So everything that I know is because of my mommy. In today's video, I'm gonna do makeup that I did yesterday, manifestation video on TikTok yesterday, and a lot of people contacted me about like, oh, it looked really dark and super sexy. Thought to recreate that. The only new thing that I added yesterday, which was an absolute pain in the ass, I hated this palette and it was a fucking nightmare because it fell on my face and it was a blue eyeshadow. I bought this from CVS called Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, and I bought it because I wanted to try this blue, but this blue does not transfer on your eyes. You have to use your fingers. If you guys are here for the first time, the reason I no longer get acne and I have really beautiful skin is because of my skincare. I used to get super painful pimples. One would pop out and it would be like this big, and I would have to go to a dermatologist and pay $120 to do an injection. She would put an injection into the pimple and she would drain it, and then it would be gone in a couple of hours. It was ugly, painful. So I no longer get those. I also used to break out, like little breakouts, and that's all gone too. Now 24 karat collagen soap is for face and body. In the shower, I put this on my face and my body and I just let it sink in for a couple of seconds and then I rinse, because this gets rid of pollution, air, the bad air quality, gets rid of the pollution, dirt, makeup, all that shit, all that toxicity that sits on your skin. This gets rid of it. It hydrates your skin, it cleanses, it brightens your complexion, gets rid of acne, all of that. So highly recommend this soap. It's like a magic eraser. So I'm gonna wash my face with that. 2 serums, a day serum and night serum. It does the same thing, tightens your skin, brightens your complexion, gets rid of acne. If you have acne scars, if you have sunspots, it gets rid of it. This hydrates your skin for like hours, like all day. It's amazing. It hydrates and just like it makes your skin like butter. I don't know how to explain it. You have to try it to understand what I'm saying. It literally makes your skin like butter. I have 100% biotin hair serum that makes your hair grow. It makes your hair thick, it makes it strong, it makes it grow, it makes it shiny, it makes it bouncy. And I put it all over my hair and then I massage it into the scalp. My hair is so thick right now. Okay, so the skin is washed. I just opened a new day serum. Just immediately makes it so clean and bright. Like I said, it gets rid of the air pollution, which is the most important thing. And I just put it on. You always want to put it in your neck and you always want to bring it all the way down. We gotta open a new cream. So here it is. She is tiny but mighty, smells so clean, and I just love what this makes my skin. It's like water. It's like water for your skin. It's just so hydrating and it just feels so amazing. Immediate glow. Highly recommend the skincare. I'm gonna do my eyes first. I'm gonna tape it like I did yesterday. That really helped. This really helped the eye makeup that I did. And I learned this on TikTok like a couple of weeks ago. I didn't realize that I have hooded eyes, I guess. So like when I look straight into the mirror, this skin is like over my eyes. You're supposed to put your eyeshadow here and then open your eyes and blend it, which I never knew how to do, and I've learned it. And now that I've learned it and I do my eyeshadow, it looks so much better. This motherfucker right here is a nightmare. I'm gonna use my own eyeshadow palette. When you guys buy my products, it's literally gonna last you forever. It's like you don't even have to buy it again. I'm gonna go in with one of these colors up here, the brown. So I'm just gonna start here and just push it. Now, since I have this tape, it's going to keep everything snatched. Then you open your eyes and you just blend it. So I'm going to blend with a different brush, but this is just to put it down. Let me put a little bit more down to create that depth. You guys see, I'm not going to the center of the eyes. I'm just still working in the corner. This is going to create the depth for the eyeshadow, like from here back. Now, I'm going to take this eyeshadow, this blue one that I bought. I'm depressed over my mom and I can't bring myself to go to the nail salon. So my nails are literally disgusting. All grown out, like the gel, and I don't care. So if you guys see my fingers looking like shit, I just can't bring myself to go sit at the salon to get my nails done. I can't deal with it. I'm gonna put this eyeshadow down with my fingers. So now we're just gonna go in the center and pack it in. If you have brown eyes, this is so pretty. It makes your eyes like pop. So we're just gonna put her there. So I'm just putting it on with my fingers, and I think it's fine. I'm gonna put my eyelashes down. These are handmade from silk. You will not have any allergic reaction. This eyeshadow, this blue eyeshadow, is a nightmare. So it's really challenging to put it on, to not get it on the rest of your face. Look how snatched everything is. Now I'm not done with the eyes, but look, already it's like so snatched. It's this trick that I learned from TikTok girls, because you don't need to wear foundation. You can just put a little bit of concealer and just kind of use a brush to kind of like spread it, but it's not gonna be as effective as like you're using like foundation. And I'm going to use the black eyeshadow in the corner to put some eyeliner in the corner. Like I said, I'm going to go in with the black right here, and I'm just going to emphasize the corners. Let's push it up. I'm just using the black eyeshadow from my own palette to just line it, the corners. I'm just emphasizing this shape of my eyes, which is cat eye, because I look like a cat. It just gives it more life. So now these are the eyes. Yeah, these are my eyes. Now we're going to contour a little bit. For the contour, I really love the ELF. It's a 4 palette powder contour palette, and I don't know if there's other colors, but this is the color that I bought. I used the darkest one, this dark brown here in the corner, and I just lightly put it, because I already have high cheekbones. I don't need to like create high cheekbones. So I just put a little bit here, and then I kind of bring it up. I started doing this thing which makes my nose so snatched. So my brush, which you guys can buy because it's sold out, but I use this contour brush that I have. I just use the edge because it's so sharp, and I put it on my nose right here to create like this like super like Barbie nose, which I don't naturally have. It just creates that line. It shortens the nose and it makes it smaller. So now I'm going to use some powder to soften everything up. I just use CoverGirl Clean Matte in the lightest shade because I'm psycho and this does not match my skin. It's classic ivory. I have olive skin, but in my mind I'm an ivory queen. I just use this brush and I just soften everything. Now I'm going to use my blush and highlighter from my own palette. I'm going to use Charmed. These are very light and they're buildable, so it's not like you're going to put it on, it's going to be super like clowny pink. And then I'm going to use the lightest highlighter here to highlight my face. The brush, I'm just going to put it up here. I like to go under my eyes because I think it makes it really youthful. It's a really youthful look. Just want to lift the face up, so you just always bring everything up, and then I put a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Look at that. Just a little bit. My blush and highlighter palette again will last you forever, and then I use my finger just to create this Barbie nose right here. The color that I used yesterday that was like really dramatic and was really dark and sexy is my these are all of my lipsticks. These are not even all of my lipsticks, but where is Broomstick? Right here. This is a chocolate, literally chocolate brown. This is a chocolate lipstick and it smells like chocolate. So this is Broomstick. And there you have it. So it's literally stunning. With the darker colors, you just kind of want to let it like dry down because it's dark and if it gets messy. This is the look of the day. It's really pretty. I guess you can go out during the day with this if you're vampire bitch like me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to grab the skincare, grab the makeup, everything is on my website, EllieArket.com. When you go to the website, you just go under shop to purchase the product. Please, if you guys like this makeup and you want to get this look, I'm going to put everything in the description box down below, and most of the products are mine, and the rest that are not mine, I'll list it. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.